Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Battlefield 6 game chat not working and resolve voice chat issue quickly and easily.
Fix 1. Check in. Game voice chat settings Step 1. Open settings audio Step 2. Turn voice chat on Step 3. Set voice chat input output to correct mic and headset. Fix 2. Select correct mic in system settings Step 1. Open Windows sound settings Step 2. Set your microphone as default input Step 3. Test mic and volume level. Fix 3. Allow mic access Windows Step 1. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Microphone Step 2. Turn microphone access on Step 3. Allow access for Battlefield EA app. Fix 4. Disable push. 2. Talk. Test. Step 1. Open in. Game audio settings Step 2. Turn push. 2. Talk off Step 3. Test voice chat again. Fix 5. Update audio drivers Step 1. Open Device Manager Step 2. Update audio and mic drivers Step 3. Restart PC. Fix 6. Restart EA app and game Step 1. Close Battlefield 6 Step 2. Restart EA app Step 3. Launch game again.